Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to do copy paste the appearance of color. Just right click on the face which color you want to copy, just select the copy appearance option, then just right click on the face where you want to paste the color, just click paste appearance. After selecting the face appearance, you have to select whether you want to paste the color in particular face or whole body. So you have to select as per your requirement. I'm just selecting in the faces only. So you can see the color is successfully pasted from other face to current face. Likewise, you can copy the appearance of color from one face of the part to other face of the part. Thanks for watching.